Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I gotta get my YouTube channel set up. Hope you all having a blessed morning. Hope you all got some good sleep. Hope you all are in those buys. Should be in those buys. Should have already been. The NAS, SPX, and US 30 buys have been called out for weeks now. Make sure you play it every time it goes until it hits the US 31 hour blue line, which I don't think we're even close to that. We'll check in a minute here. How's everybody doing this morning? Yay, we're live. 6:12. 6:12. 12 says 666. That's interesting. Save changes. Go over to here. Close this down. Go over to there. Go over to here. Go over to here. I don't know if anyone's here yet, but we'll get to that in a second. I'm not going to be trading through the live, so if you want some call outs for the live, you better come in now. I know a lot of people out there, they just scam. They come in right before market open, which is fine. Whatever. As long as, there we go. All right. Let's make sure TikTok's rolling. We are rolling. Good morning, Botnator. Good morning, Golden Cindy. Good morning, Jitus Cumpies. Whatever that's always good morning. Let's see who's on YouTube. Oh, just a few people. That's shocking. Wow, everybody sleeping in or something? All right. Good morning, Raider Traders. Jay Parker and Raider Trader. Nathan Horner, Shiraz. Good morning, Jason Roby and Mr. C. Just cut up my last night live. The Freedom Indicator looks amazing. Great work. Thanks so much. Yeah, it's going to be a blessing. It really is. Good morning, Botnator, Golden Cindy, and Ore. Thank you guys for being on TikTok and YouTube. Pretty sure you're all heading that way. All right. I don't even know where we're at. Let's see. Still taking care of a few issues. Let's take a look. There still is a buy stop, by the way. This is a weekly, daily buy stop for Odd USD. I'm testing something on that, so that is a call. Oh, these are the trades I have open. I have a couple of US 30s ready to go. These are only trades I've opened in this account. From 6764 are these buys on SPX and NAS. I'm holding those until the US 30s hit. Odd USD is minus $9.90. That thing's been as low as like $20 down. So I was like, oops, maybe not the right trade. But again, I'm not looking for a specific return. That's why I'm using such a small amount. I'm just tracking that trade. I used to do it all the time. Good morning, Joe Vega. Good morning, Ore. Thank you, Dennis, for being on both. Good morning, Dennis. Good morning, Stacy. What's up, Stacy? Oh, I'm over here just wandering around, not thinking of anything. All right. As always, We start off with our trademark, which makes it enforceable why I do this so regularly. Safety trade system was issued a registered trademark number. That's it. To me and my wife about the safety trade system and all of its indicators from the United States Patent and Trademark Office. We are a Class 41. In case you guys don't know what that is, I'll zoom in on it. Coaching in the field of stock market trading, coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading, also generational wealth through Forex. Okay. So hopefully that helps put a lot of people's mind at ease. This is official, by the way. I don't even. That is Catherine, whoever the hell that is, Director of the United States Patent and Trademark Office. This isn't pending. This is the real deal. We have it. Also, not a financial advisor. No one in the system is. Please pause this and read this at your own leisure. We are not financial advisors. We are strictly, Jay Park already said yes. We are strictly social media influencers, only trade demo money. Understand that I only trade a certain style. I do not trade any other way other than looking for my green buys, up arrows, and the red down arrows. Hey, it's funny that our system came down to arrows. That is ironic. It's come full 360. We only trade green up arrows and we only trade red down arrows. And that's what the fuck the freedom indicator is. Holy shit. Pretty cool. Anywho, type yes if you understand this is legally copyrighted NDA and trademark and patent pending system. You will be sued if you attempt to steal anything. And I have sued, we have sued, one person in Chicago and one in court. So I know that we'll win. Also that we're not financial advisors. Thank you. Don't need everyone to say yes, just a couple of you. Thank you, Raider Trader. Morning, Stefan. Good morning, Jesus. Hey, Hoos. Hey, Hoos. All right. I wonder how Golden Cindy. Stefan 087. I know Mr. C is making money. Golden Cindy. Good morning, Richard Graham. Jay Parker. I think he is too. Or a Raider Trader and Botnator. I know Botnator's been with me forever. How have y'all been doing, Joe Biga? Good morning, Joe Biga too. How have y'all been doing with either making correct trades or making demo money, hint, real money? Have y'all been making some correct trades on a regular basis or demo money on a regular basis? I'm interested because you are the ones that are here all the time. Then we have floaters come in later. We'll build this up to probably around 80 people. Well, I'm not going to be here before market open. 80 to, I don't know, depending on the day, 80 to 100, 110 people. Are you guys making money on or making correct trades on a regular basis? Yes or no? Good morning, Richard Graham. Oh, I think I just asked 2 yes questions back and forth. Woke up to $170 in my sleep. I guess that's a yes. Nice, Ore. Congratulations, Richard Graham and Ore. Yes, funded 20 Apex accounts. Jay Parker. Fuck, okay. It's hard not to make demo money. I'm struggling to recall the last time I had a losing day. Nice, Mr. C. Garth Partner, yes, I'm hit and miss. Some days I'm 100%, other days I can't see. Jason, you'll get more consistent, Jason. I'm not laughing. I'm just saying that that's a typical response for beginners, especially. Not even if you're a beginner, but people until they get the system, that's what the typical response is. There you go. Golden says a good idea. Small amounts on demo, but I just got tier 3, so I'm excited to confirm my trades hydra. That's a good use of it too. Excellent use of it. Golden Cindy. Botnator, yes. Okay, cool. All right, guys. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and whip through a whole bunch of these fast. I still hit about 75%. Well, Jason Roby, 75% is 10% better than a professional trader that goes for 10 pips in a day on multiple trades. They only win 64%, 63.5% or some bullshit, whatever, 64% of their trades. You're doing better than a professional trader, Jason. Give yourself a little pat on the back. That I agree with Mr. C. Stick with it and block out everything else. It's all there, all here. That is correct. Dun, 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 dun. Well, I've completed, and this is just me personally. I do not recommend this for anyone listening, but I just completed my 48. Well, I'm at 40-hour dry fast, not a water fast. Sorry. I try to do this once a week. I got a little lazy there for a couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks. But once a week, I'll do from like Sunday night, don't drink any water from like 3 in the afternoon. Don't drink any water Monday, and then don't drink any water until Tuesday afternoon. And that's usually what I do. It doesn't have to be those days. I'm just saying, generally speaking. Then I'll continue with a water fast where I add in some Redmond real salt or Celtic sea salt. I do that for probably another day. Like, even though I'll drink water today with salt, I'll also not eat any food probably today. And then tomorrow I may eat. We'll see what me and Bree are doing. And yeah, I would say I was real good there for a while doing it regularly. But anyway, and I do believe it helps with mental clarity and focus and stuff. But that's just me. All right. I'm going to whip through a whole bunch of these signals, symbols, not signals. I'm going to give you out some free calls. Let's start with gold. 1 hour. Yeah, I have Baja Gold too, Richard. Personally, I still like Redmond. Pink Himalayan salt's fine. Celtic sea salt's fine. And yeah, Baja Gold has less sodium. I have that from Dr. Berg, actually. A lot of people make fun of him. I think he's a good guy. Dun, 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 dun. All right, gold, 1 hour. Dun, 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 dun. It is forming, like I said this like 2 weeks ago, maybe longer. It is forming a daily, weekly buy stop. But again, I want this pink line to come down further, then hook and come back up. I don't always get what I want, but to be real comfortable with it, this is where I place my buy stop on gold. I place it right above here. I place gold as a buy stop. 23. Oh, I can put my little line in, can't I? And mark it. Hold on. I'm going to put it right above market. Then you should change this. As this dips down, you should go with it. This is a daily. You guys wonder. Buy stop on gold. That's where I place it. You guys do what you want. And you can see exactly where that orange line is. Or can you? I don't know. Well, tough shit. That's where I'm placing it. Now, smaller time frame. One hour, 4 hour sell stop to the 2 hour blue line. Gold. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop to the 2 hour blue line. It means price is going to hook down. I don't know if it's going to go up first. Let me check that. Yeah, looks like it's going to 15. 5, 3, 1. Okay, gold's at me all over the place. You guys are gonna get pissed at me, but it is what it is. 30-second 1 minute sell stop to the 1 minute blue line. $15-minute buy stop. Towards the 1 hour blue line. 1 hour sell stop to the 2 hour blue line. Or fuck all that little noisy shit down there and go with the daily, weekly buy. Your choices. That's what it is. Big news later. I won't be here for it. CPI, FOMC on gold, hoping for pull down then drive up. Nice. Thank you, Ms. C, for the news update. Jason Roy. Nice, Jason. I have been with Kev since last September. So congratulations. You come on your 1 year anniversary. I'm learning today and still very confident this is the best winning system. I agree with that statement. Hope to get the new upgraded signals. Yay! I hope you do too, Jason. Unstoppable at that point. I would think so. Great morning, Damien. Good morning, Damien. Big news later. CPI, FOMC. Wow, what a day. I'll try to be on later this afternoon, maybe after FOMC. I'm assuming they usually do that right at the 2 o'clock, 4 hour candle. All right. Yes, thanks for that info, Mr. C. Appreciate that, sir. If you could do that for me every morning, that'd be great. I'm only on for 38 more minutes. I have a meeting with Keith at 8. We're so close to finishing this shit up. Well, finishing the freedom indicator up. I'm going to have to take this time. I know I've been trying to trade through with you guys, but best I could do. All right, so that was gold. I'll get back to US 30 NAS and SPX. Let's see if there's anything in particular. No. Like I said, buy stop, play any buy stop, 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute through the 1 hour until the 1 hour. I've been saying this for 2 weeks. 1 hour red turns to green right here. Now, I'm going to have to check to see if there's any sell stops coming. I don't know. Pay attention to those 30-seconders. I'll get back to that. Oil, 1 hour. Gee, anybody here yesterday when the signals and I called bingo, boppo, bango, when I called out yesterday, and I'm 100% positive I did this. Usually I try to be a little more not as dramatic with things, but I called this to the blue line yesterday. There it sits at the blue line now. Sevens, if anyone here remembers me making this call. Anyone at all? This was a call made yesterday by the blue line. I didn't just make it. We have a signal service that also made it. I mean, come on. There it is. There's your touchdown. Oh, he doesn't live trade. Oh, well, no more haters. You guys can go crawl underneath the rock and fucking should be nice. Watch. Wasn't me just calling it out. Let's go back to here. I want to see if it's going to show it. Wasn't me just calling it out. Oh, there she blows. Do a buy. Let's do 1,000 oils. I don't even know what that means. We're going to do a buy. And let's see what happens from the time this signal was called. Shall we? Da, 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 da. Here we go. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Watch. Da, 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 da. I have no idea how much 1,000 oils are, so it's probably fucking huge. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Watch. Da, 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 da. There's your call. You can take it at market order. You could have waited and actually made it correctly, but that's okay. There you go. As called out. Pippity boppity boo. What do you know? 100% win rate. Best trade, $8,918. I don't know what that was. But there it is. Right to the blue line. Picture perfect positive. Called out by the system, called out by me, called out by the signal service. No, you don't need a thing. Watch, we tag this. You don't need the signals. They're there for people who would like to have confirmation of their trades, or they can make the trades off of this. It says this is a, what was this? So hold on. I'll have to go back probably to the 5-minute maybe to show you what it saw. Look at them all. And there's multiple more buy stops. Yeah, here it is. Here's your buy. All you need is the, let me teardrop this out. Watch. You don't need any of this. You don't need the sniper, even though it's extremely helpful. You don't need this right here. So focus in, peeps. Focus in. Here we go. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Dun, dun. I love when my arrows capture in there. It's funny. Green, 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 red. People are pushing up on you. The trade's going to go up. Here you go. There it is. And there's your buy. Zoop, zoop, zoop. Up she goes. Straight to the blue line. Huh. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and say I did call that. And there's your touch. And look at all. By the way, if you'd have gotten in where you should have gotten in, which is the first time this was called out by the signal service, right? By the rules of our system. Look, back here. So let's go back there and see how much money you would have had. I am stubborn. I mean, people like to overcome. Now I've got to see if this is going to be a true. Yep, there it is. Okay, stop. Pause. I'm not going to do 1,000. Be too much. Oh, shit, it's going again. Fuck. I'll do like 10. Shit, double shit. Hold on. Oh, we missed so many. And there was another buy there, by the way. And this is, see, there's another buy. I just, I did 20. So here it goes. Let's see what happens. So there's already been, to be clear, 1, 2, 3 buyouts called by the system. Good morning, Adam. It is very exciting, Stacy. Good morning, Steve. What's up, Steve? And say, boy, you guys are gonna be happy with this damn this new freedom indicator. Look, and there they are. So it called it out time and time again correctly to the blue line as I called yesterday. There's another one. I didn't enter that trade in. Good morning, Superior Texas 515. I don't recognize the name, so welcome aboard. As called out yesterday, Steve, there's your touchdown to the blue line. I called this yesterday live. Da 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 da. Boop. Gee, there you go. 100% win rate. So yes, called it out yesterday. The system called it back on. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Called it back on June the 6th. So it called it 6 days ago. It's a buy stop. Then it repeatedly called it. This is the signal service. We now have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Da, 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 da. No, I don't draw those lines. These are automatically drawn. And I'll put my signal service up against a real life trader any day of the week. That is a open end. That's always been there. I've always said anyone wanted to trade against me, come on and let's make trades. I've said that for 2 years. No one has. I said 1.5 years. But now I'm making it even easier for them to possibly win. I'll take my weekly, daily W1, D1s on SPX, NAS, US 30, or gold. I'll do it on any symbol technically, but those are the bigger movers for us. And I'll win 100% of the time. So unless another trader out there can win 100% of the time, good luck. Not being cocky, being 100% confident in God and the system. It will win every time. Now, it doesn't mean the trades will win every time, but I'm telling you it will beat the other trader, period. There's no way. No one is accurate as these signals. I'm not as accurate. The signals would beat me. Let me be clear. They're non-emotional. They don't make mistakes reading the rules like I do sometimes. All of you do most of the time. They're just there. It's code. Thank God for Keith Palmer. Good morning, Guy Berger. So anyone out there, oh, you said his system's on. No, I'm not. Bullshit. I would hope the system to be 80% accurate, 90% accurate, somewhere around there. If it's less than 65% accurate, I will absolutely close down the signals. I would absolutely, well, I know the system isn't that, but if the signals have trouble being read or something, or on a certain symbol, I'll close that symbol, recode it a little. But I'm not. If we can't beat the professional 65% win rate, the fuck if I'm going to offer a signal service. This thing better be 80, 90, 95%, 99% accurate, period. Better be, or I'm not going to continue it. And obviously you can see right there that we're pretty good on that one. All right, so that was gold, oil. Let's go to ERUSD. Oh, I didn't even finish. I'm not going to do oil. I'm good with oil. Fuck that. It did what I told you it was going to do. We're good. 1 hour, sell, EURUSD. 1 hour, it's going to arch up a little bit more. It's going to come up a little bit more, and then it's going to hook and come down. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop, EURUSD. Daily, weekly buy stop. But again, this daily, I prefer this pink line. Let me draw it for you. EURUSD, hook down, come up. The pink line, this will stay roughly right here. And you'll see this hook, you'll see price do that. Now, that is on a daily basis. That's going to take it could take 6 months. That's how long it took oil for one time. So just be patient with that. The 1 hour sell is much better. 15-minute. Ooh, there we go. I see something. I see dead people. Okay, we're going to have a 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute buy to the 3-minute blue line. It's going to ricochet, come back down a little bit. Price is going to come up here, hook, come back down, and hook again and come back up. I can't put the drawings in. Well, that'd be fucking neat, wouldn't it? Into the thing. But it's going to do, Keith would kill me. Play any 15-second through 5-minute buy stop towards the 5-minute blue line. Me, myself, and I believe it's going to hit that. Then it's going to form the 1 hour sell stop, 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. Then it's going to form the daily, weekly buy. Or you just hang out for, I don't know, the 1 hour or the day. Whatever. If you don't like the noise and the clutter down here in the 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, stay up here. You won't have any of it. UDSHF is the complete opposite of what I just called. GBP, JPY. Gee, I wonder if it's going up. It never stops. It's already completing a 1 hour buy. Look, here it is. This is the one, baby. You talking about some smackdown? Somebody wants to challenge? Good fucking luck. So this is your 1 hour would turn green. Then these 1 minutes are called right here. I hope it shows it. I don't know if it will. Let's see. Oh, it does. Buy. What is this? GBP, JPY. Buy. So watch. So it called the 1 hour, then the 1 minute and the 3 minute came up. You could enter any one of those you want. I picked the 1 minute. I don't give two fucks. And watch. This is you. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. You can worry about entry. You can follow the rules, or you don't have to. This is GBP, JPY. We're entering on 1 minute off of a 1 hour. You made $319. Bingo. 100% success rate. There you go. Yeah, that's as simple as that. It called the trade perfectly. There's your pre-signal, your machine gun signal on the H1. I'll show you what it looks like. Oh, you know what? Hold on a second. I think I can now. Oh, thank God for Keith. Hold on. Let's see. Let's, instead of watching price, let's watch right inside of this box right here. Da, 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 da. What we're looking for? Mad love. What we're needing is mad love. What we're looking for is this 1 hour arrow to turn green. What we're looking for is mad love. And then we want one of these two things to turn green. So that's what we're looking for. I'll put it right next to it. So let's watch price action go. And we're waiting for this to turn green. I don't know if it will. I think it will. Let's hope. There it is, green. So it turned green. Then you wait for a 30-second or 1 minute to pop up. So this thing turned green. Boop. Preferably they stay open. I see what happened there. That's okay. And watch. Talking about bad love. There's your 1 hour again, turn green. Talking about mad love. I can move this out of the way now. Oopsie. You know something's up when I'm singing Taylor Swift in the morning. Damn. Come on now. Maybe I went too far back. Talking about mad. Oh, it didn't show the 3 minute and the 1 minute. Motherfucker, the last time it did. I guess I'll have to switch over. Oh, well, it does. Trust me. Then the yellow or the S30 will turn green. The M1 will turn green. The M3 will turn green. This will be green. And you just take your trades off the lines. So fucking cool. Oh, GBBJPY. Buy. Just completed a buy. Let's see where she's going to. 4 hour buy. Daily buy. It's already complete. Look at this shit. All right, I'm going to tell you this shit right now, guys. Play any, and you are too late, really. When this pink line starts coming up on the daily, play any. I don't care what happens in the meantime. Hopefully it drops down, actually. Play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 7 hour, 12 hour buy stops on the daily until this pink line comes all the way up. Good morning, Mike Mahoyhan. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning. What was his name? Shash, smoking behind. God bless you too, and God bless each and every one of you. Thank you, Mike Mahoyhan, for being on both. Could have been bad love. Could have been, and I know no lyrics to any songs. I've heard Journey's my favorite group ever, and Def Leppard, of course. I'm sure there are many favorite songs out there along with Journey's Separate Ways. And no, I still don't know the words to those songs. I've played them since 1982, Journey. And yeah, it's been that long and I still don't know the words. Bree, my wife, can sing every word of every lyric of every verse of any song that's ever been made. Country, rap, doesn't matter. Rock and roll, doesn't matter. Pop, country, whatever. She knows every verse to every song. Good morning, Greg. Yeah, this is easy. GBBJPY is just easy. Ethereum, let's do that for Lair. Oh, nice. So you're going to like this news. Play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, 7 hour, 12 hour buy stop. This is going to be a D1. I don't know if it's a week one. Let me see. Nice. This is actually a, holy fuck. I don't know because we don't have the blue line, but I can guess for you. This is actually the 1, 2. This is week 2 D1 buy stop. Ethereum. D1 week 2 buy stop Ethereum. Okay. Talking about mad love. Talking about, now let's go down to a little more realistic things for them because it's probably going to dip a little first. The reason why it's going to dip is I think you're going to see a dip here. Yeah. Is because, there's your 1 hours. Yep. See these 1 hours that were called out on Ethereum? Sorry. There. Does she know Eminem Houdini? Yep, she does. She knows every song, anything. Eminem's new one. What's his thing? Teamwork has made dream work. I had some help. I had some help with that dude. She knows every song. Nicki Minaj, doesn't matter. Pick one. She knows every word ever. And she can say all the words as fat, like that rap god from Eminem. Yeah, she can do that. You don't understand. She's a fucking genius. She's a genius. She's a hot genius too. All right, right here. I'm going to show you this playback right here of the original call for thing. Now, don't get nervous. Oh, shit. Ricochet, sell, stop. All right. You can wait for the higher time frame. It's going to work out. Trust me, it's going to go up. Ask Larry. He's up like $700 a coin. But the reality is, sorry, Larry, don't get upset, is 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute. I'll check them out to be clear on this. To the 1 hour, it's going to do a ricochet layer and sell back down to this blue line right here. This is what Ethereum's going to do. It's going to hook. Do that right there. Sorry. But that's got to come first there to form our bigger buy stop. So hang in there. Sorry. I hate to say bad news, people. I used to hate to call oil because it would go up. People would lose gas. But anyway, all right. So these orange things are all called sells. So let's take a look. We're going to go back. I hope it works. I have no idea. You saw it just work one time with the smaller time frames and it didn't work at all. So let's see if we can do a sell here. I don't know if it's going to pop or not. There it is. So now we're going to do what's called a sell. This is our first sell at the first sign. We're not worried about entry. We're taking market orders here. You can see the arrow is red. I think you're going to see these other ones turn red too. I don't know. We'll try to watch that for us. Talking about mad love. Talking about mad love. Here we go. We'll play it back. Do, 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 do. I have 20 minutes left. Shit. All right. This is your money on it. This is the call. This is what you're seeing with one Ethereum. Guess it predicted that fall, didn't it, Larry? All right. I'm going to see if there's another one that pops up soon. Keep watching your price action here. See if any of these change. Talking about mad love. Talking about, there's the red arrow again on the 1 hour. Oop, there we go. We got to pop it again. And this is just Ethereum using the signals, which are based on our rules. It's just following the rules of the system. No, you don't need the signal service. Don't buy it if you don't want it. I don't give two fucks. Look at it go. And Larry, you can play a sell while you're in a buy on Ethereum. Even if you have to go to a different broker, I would. Talking about bad. Look. Boom, touchdown. I didn't know it hit it. See, that's even better. And that's it. And that's what you'll see. So as you look at that, I think it missed a few, by the way. It's going to, then Ethereum is going to do this. It's going to come up boop, like that, hook, and come back down again. Da, 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 da. Talking about mad love. Talking about, da, da. I missed the sell already. Talking about mad love. Da, 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 da. There you go. And there you go. Win rate of 100%, of course. It's going to come up, hook, and come back down. Hope I'm clear on that. That's Ethereum. Daily buy, 1 hour sell. Well, it's going to arch up a little, then sell. 15 minute. Yeah, it's probably going to arch up to, usually they go to its 3 minute line. Yeah, that's what it's going to do. All right, so you can play, this is how you can do this. You guys are you can play this 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute buy to the blue line, to the 3 minute blue line. It's going to hook, come back down, and come up to here. That's where it's going. Then, well, you guys are going to laugh your fucking ass off. Then after it goes up there, you can go, it's probably going to come back up here, touch this green line right here. Then you're going to see a 30-minute, 1 hour sell stop kick in, back down to that 1 hour blue line. And then, is this detailed enough for everybody? Is this fucking detailed enough for all the haters out there? I swear to God. 4 hours. It's such a joke. Literally have a signal service now, and they're still haters. Good luck. And then you can do the daily, weekly buy stop. Matter of fact, let's put a little line in there. Oh, can't. I've outdone myself. Where's my little lines at? There we go. I'm going to put it right here. This is, what is this? Ethereum. Gonna be bad love. You just wait. Last time I called it, I think Larry made $700 a coin on this. Just saying. And as this drops down, I would absolutely bring this line down with you. It's in our rules. I'd bring this down, down, down as this comes down. I think you'll see it come down a little bit more after that push. All right. That's Ethereum. Bitcoin's the exact same thing. I'm not going to call it. I've been calling Bitcoin to you guys every day for over a year. Hundreds of times a day, I told you to buy Bitcoin when it was at 26,500 and up. You just do whatever you want. I don't give two fucks. Ethereum, XRP. I love XRP. I'd keep buying it. I bought it since 31 cents. I have about 2,800 of it. I'm not a financial advisor. Use demo money only. Do what the fuck you want to do. XRP. Let's see. 1 minute. 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute buy stop to the 3-minute blue line. Towards it anyways. XRP. Gonna be mad, love. Gonna be bad, love. 30-minute, 1 hour. 30-minute, 1 hour sell stop, XRP. It's going to be the same. XRP, 4-hour sell, XRP. Can we get a daily, weekly buy, please? No. Can we get a weekly, monthly? We don't know. Weekly, monthly buy stop, but I can't see that for sure. That's just my call based on the system here. But you can't see the blue line. There's not enough history. I can go over to my MetaTrader 4, though. Anywho, that's that. And that's what you got. So that's XRP. That's Bitcoin, Ethereum in detail, GBP, JPY. UDSHF is the opposite of ERUSD. ERUSD has been called. Oil's been, well, oil was called correctly the last couple days. SPX NAS. Let's go and take a look at our thing. Okay, let's grab this out of there and delete. Talking about mad love. Talking about mad love. Officially play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3-minute buy stops to the 1 hour blue line. I do believe if there's that big news, FOMC and all that, they might jerk it down and then jerk it back up. But I think some kind of jerking is going to pay off with the 1 hour turning to green on any of the news today. Even if it's temporary, I think we're going to see this fill. After that, I can see a spike downward. Poof, 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 poof. So this is my prediction for NPI, FPOC, NBC, ABC, CNN, and any other kind of news. I can see them doing this. They're going to bring it up hard, and then they're going to smack it down. If they do the opposite, that's fine. We'll have plenty of buying opportunity. Matter of fact, I prefer them to do the opposite, meaning they can jack everything down here. All of these turn to red and then spike it up. They can do that, and that's fine. I prefer them to do that. That'll just give us more buying opportunities and to bring this down. But the reality of it is, I think you're going to see it the opposite. I think they're going to spike it up, close these off, and then drop it with FOMC. If they don't, then they're going to raise it with FOMC. But either way, I don't give two fucks. I hope maybe this afternoon I might be able to play FOMC with you. I'll see how that works out. I'm not sure on that. Let's take a deep dive into US30 and NAS and SPX. Well, son of a bitch. Evidently, we're going up on a monthly. All right. Talking about mad love. Let's see. Talking about bad love. Where's my buy at? See, where is my line at? Oh, fuck me. See what I mean? Where are those lines? There's your buy stop. Buy stop to the blue. I already called this 10 times. I refuse to call it again. If you don't listen to what the fuck I say, I'm not saying it. Called gold too, by the way. SPX, yeah. That's all we can do. I mean, what the? Okay, 1 hour buy stop SPX. 1 hour buy stop NAS. Play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30-minute buys on NAS and SPX and US30 until the US30 1 hour blue line is hit, until they all get up to here. Then in which case, all bets are off. All right, let's go back down here and see what we see on the micro level. Talking about mad love. Talking about bad love. 15-second, nothing. 30-second, nothing. 15-second, 30-second fill in the gap, I guess. 3 minute. 5 minute buy. 10 minute. 10 minute. This is US30 planning. 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute buy to the 15-minute blue line. It's going to touch it again. Forming a 30-minute, 30-minute, 30-minute 1 hour. This isn't a 30-minute 1 hour sell, even though it's showing it. Interesting. Hold on. 30-minute. No. We can do a 30-minute 4 hour, but that's strange. I'd be very careful on this sell until after the news. I would not play CPI, MPI, ABC, NBC, and I wouldn't play FOMC or PPPQ or CHUPI or NFL or MBLB or WNBA or NBA. I wouldn't play any of the news as this today. Just stay out of it. Be careful. It is a 30-minute sell on US 30, however. It's not official. I don't like that, but that's what it is. All right. So that's US 30. Let's go to NAS. Right. I'm familiar with that, Jay Parker. Thank you. Haters gonna hate. Good morning, Brian Flores. 15 seconds. Yeah, it's already in the money. I am shocked that these haven't 30 seconds just happened. 1 minute just happened. That these haven't dipped more. Absolutely shocked. Yeah, I really, let's see the 1 hour. Yeah, let's hope for that. All right. Here's a hope. I'm going to go with this one. I pray to God that they are dumb enough to pull this shit down at one, hopefully the early morning one too, that 8:30 NPI shit. I really hope they're dumb enough to yank this down. I hope I have time to see it too. I don't know. I'll be with keys. Oops, shit. Hold on. Was it US 30? No. Yeah, let's hope that they do the little stupid spike down to take everybody's stop losses. Let's pray they're that fucking dumb. Can everyone say a little prayer? Is that a bad prayer? Watch. So let's hope that we can get them. Should have just redrew the thing. That we can get them to drop this like a rock on the 1 hour level, particularly. Probably going to be the 15. Let me see the 15 real quick. It's not far away, though. No, we can only hope they're that dumb and greedy. That's what they're going to do. They're going to try to collect everybody's stop losses. This is what I hope they do for this 8:30 news bullshit. Let them bring price down. I'll explain it to you. How much time do I have left? Oh, 10 minutes. I hope they bring the price down, drop it down to in between our green and yellow right here. I would put a buy stop down here if they do and let it come back up. That's how I would play this. If they're that greedy to collect people's contracts, and I hope they are, we want them to drop price down. I'm going to redraw it again. We want to do this to right about there. That is for NAS. I'd love that. For SPX, it's right here. Let it bring it down again in between our channel right there. Hook, come back up. Boy, you'll see me within like 10 orders, open orders. I'll come on and be like, oh, fuck, we got to come on. Da, da, da. I'll show you. Now, US 30, I just don't know if they're going to do it. I don't know. If they're that greedy and dumb, take that fucking free money from them. That's what I'm saying. If they don't, then they're just going to spike it up because US 30 has to hit its 1 hour blue line. So that's my two plays for you. Let them pull back down on the 15-minute lines. Let it go way down on the 1 hour lines. I don't give a shit. Pick a number. Let it come down first. Let it smash down here. Do a buy right here. Boom. Matter of factly. Well, we'll wait on that. And then to the 1 hour blue line. That's what I want. If they spike it up to the 1 hour blue line, I would get out immediately. Period. Or at least close one down, leave one open. I would not stay in the trade. But this is what it's looking for right here. Nice. And then US 30 is a little more clear cut. On US 30, on NAS and SPX, if they bring down this price down below here to bounce it off like the yellow or the green, I would absolutely do a buy stop off of this. If they're dumb enough to bring it below NAS, bring it below this yellow line right here. If you don't have the system, you don't know what I'm talking about. If you do, you do. I would absolutely do a buy off this line. I'd put it either here, or if they drop it down even further, I'd bring it down here. There is no sell to be called for at this time. They might change that to a 15, 30-second sell, 1 minute sell. Right now, there's no sell on NAS or SPX. There is a sell on US 30, 30-minute. So all I can call and hope for you guys is a dip down and then the hook back up. That's what I really hope for. If they're dumb enough to give us that dip down, I am absolutely jumping in on my demo money. I'll have probably 10 trades open when I come live with you, laughing the whole time at those idiots if they do it. And they get greedy. They love doing stupid shit, so I can see them doing that. Yeah, I can see the greed overwhelming them. We'll see. All right. Anybody have any questions for the call outs for NAS, US 30, and SPX? So if there's 8:30 news, don't play it. If you're going to play it, lock in all your profits like I have on my NAS and my NAS and SPX buys, and then play it fast. You have to go fast. I can't stay on. Me and Keith are having a meeting here shortly, actually. But I have a few minutes to answer questions, concerns, or comments. Ask away. Speaking of which, you shouldn't even be playing this. See this right here? See right here? Watch. Want to know when you should have got into your NAS? When the signal service told you to. Do you see this? Look. These are the first signals. If you'd have gotten here in NAS when you should have, back here, let's see if we can do it, you wouldn't be worried about this here news because it had already been played. Let's see if I can get this one. Buy. Okay. This is when you should have got in. Let's do a playback speed right here and watch your money. Gonna be my love. Should have entered again. Back here when it told you to do it the first time's always the best. Talking about mad love. Talking about mad love. Talking about mad love. All right. And there it is. Rock and roll. Thanks again, Kevin. The coaching as always. Let's crush the banks today. Amen. You're crushing BlackRock and Vanguard, and then any money you have deposited with the banks they're using against you. There it is. There's your money. There's your win rate. Blah, blah. There it is. So I would listen to those signals. The signals are calling for another buy on the H1. They already did it yesterday. They're calling again today. Again, I hope these greedy sons of the Vanguards and the BlackRocks in the world are greedy enough to drop this shit down. Do it. Boom. We don't have any sells on NAS and SPX. You can't have a sell open on US 30 minute. That's all I can tell you guys. All right. Anybody on TikTok have any questions? I'm in a long-term NAS buy. Well, here, I'll show you. Talking about mad love. Talking about mad love. I have two US 30s ready to go, buy stops ready to go. I'm in this odd USD just for testing purposes. SPX buy, this is a time in since 6.4 on a 0.02 lot size NAS buy. This is 6.4 buy SPX, $282. That's over 100 pips on SPX. That's over 600 pips, 650 pips on NAS. I have locked in profit, so I have no worries with that. And that's my two trades. I'll probably dive deep if I can, if Keith and I can pull away, if it dips down at news. So if they can dip us down at news, great. If they can't, there's nothing you can do. They fill the orders first of institutional orders, so there'll be a lot of slippage, they call it, which is called bullshit. It's called a scam. They don't fulfill your orders first. They fulfill the banks, Vanguard's, BlackRock's orders first. So if you have a stop loss in place, they'll shoot through that by miles. They're cheating ass bastards. Ooh, Bree asked me to clean up everything, but they are. Fuck them. All right. Anybody on TikTok, YouTube have any questions before I go? Gonna be mad, love. Gonna be bad, love. Good luck on everything. You're welcome, Botnator. Thank you all for being here. God bless. Y'all have a great day. I'll try to be on before FOMC news. No promise on that. See you on TikTok, YouTube. Any questions before I go? Gonna be mad, love. Gonna be bad, love. God bless you all then. Thank you, Golden Cindy. Thank you for being here, Nathan. God bless you all. Talk to y'all later.